Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss questions based on coordinate geometry. In previous sessions, we discussed different forms of straight line equations. Please refer to previous parts of the tutorial before proceeding. In this session, we'll discuss questions based on straight line equations which we have discussed. The first question is the equation of a straight line passing through 3 comma minus 2 and making equal intercepts on axis. So this type of question directly we can solve from the answers, as it is given that this particular line is passing through 3 comma minus 2. That means when we substitute x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 2, equation should satisfy. Then only we can say that the line is passing through particular point. So let's see which answer satisfies 3 comma minus. Let us consider answer 1. So 3 in place of x 3, y is minus 2 and minus 1. So it is becoming 0, right? Let's see any other answer is also satisfying this. If we consider this, it will be 3 minus 2, which is 1. But 1 minus 5 is not 0, right? Consider answer C. So it is 3 into 3, it is 9. And here 2 into minus 2, so it will become plus. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. It is also not satisfying. So we can say that answer is A. And if you observe the intercept as, it will be x plus y is equals to 1, or we can write it as x by 1 plus y by 1 is equals to 1, right? So if you observe here, the intercept of x and y are equal. So both the conditions are satisfied. We can say that answer is A, right? Let's look into next question. In previous question, we have to find out a straight line equation which is passing through a particular point. In the second question, we have to find out the value P if the given two lines are perpendicular to each other. As we know that, we can say that two lines are perpendicular to each other if slope of the two lines product is equals to minus 1, right? Which we have discussed in our earlier session. So now let us write what is the slope of the first equation and what is the slope of the second equation. Once we multiply those two, we should equate it to minus 1. So the first equation is 3y minus 2x is equals to 4. Let us write in the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Then its slope is nothing but minus a by b, right? So let us represent in this form. Then it will be minus 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore, slope of the equation is nothing but coefficient of x, that is minus. Already in the formula we have minus. So for x also we have minus. So minus 2 divided by coefficient of y, which is 3, that is minus 2 by 3. So it will be minus of minus plus 2 by 3. Similarly, for the second equation, let us rewrite it. So minus px plus 4y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now, what is the slope? Let us name this as m1 and this as m2. So slope of this equation is minus of minus p by 4, which is nothing but p by 4. So according to this condition, if we multiply these two, we should get minus 1. So let us write that. So 2 by 3 into p by 4 is equals to minus 1. Let us cancel out with 2. So it is, which implies p by 6 is equals to minus 1, which implies p is equals to minus 6. So the answer is A. Before concluding this session, let's list out some of the formulas which are very much useful to solve many numericals. As you all know that a triangle will have three vertices. Say triangle with three vertices as x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3. Now the centroid is nothing but its intersection of lines joining from the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. So from this vertex, I am drawing a line to the midpoint of opposite side. Similarly from this vertex and similarly from this vertex. Intersection of these lines is nothing but centroid, which is represented with the letter G, x comma y. So its value is nothing but midpoint of three vertices. So it is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So centroid is nothing but it's a midpoint of all three vertices which are given. Now let's see how to calculate area of a triangle if three vertices are given as x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. As area value is cannot be negative, so we'll take it as modulus. In next session, we'll discuss some more questions based on straight line forms of equation. Please subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.